In this video, we will discuss the first program. The program statement says, write a Java program to enter a character and check whether a character is a vowel or not. We will declare the class first public. Okay, public is a keyword that will instruct the Java compiler that the class that we are going to declare can be accessed or can be used throughout the Java program, followed by another keyword, that is class, that is used to declare the class, then followed by the class name. Remember, this class name should be a single word. Okay, if class name is made up of more than one word, then each word first letter should be capital as per the Java convention. Yes, we can type all the letters of class name in small, it will work, but as per the Java conventions, or we can say the rule, the class name first letter should be capital, and if class name is made up of more than one word, then each word first letter should be capital. Then followed by a pair of curly brace that defines the body of class. Within the body of class, a class includes data and functions, or we can say a class contains data and functions. So here we will include one function, one method, that is main method. Main method should always be public. Public means this method can be accessed throughout the Java program. Then followed by another keyword, that is static. Static means the main method can be accessed without creating the object of the class, that is vowel or not. Followed by another keyword, that is void. Void is a return type. This keyword instructs that the main method is not going to return any value. Followed by name of the method, that is main. Main is a name of the method, just like a class name. Okay, it is a name of the method. Here this is a class name, here it is a method name. Whether it is a class name, method name or variable name, all are known as identifiers in Java. Followed by a pair of brackets. Then remember this, in Java a method may accept none, one or more than one argument depending upon the program requirement. Usually main method accepts an argument, that is string type, an array of string type, where square brackets are used for declaring the array. Args is the name of the array. String is a data type, where string is a data type, and remember this, string is a class name in the Java, and classes are also known as data types in Java, that we will discuss in higher classes. But for the time being, as per the program statement, our requirement is to check whether the enter character is vowel or not. Okay, so here we have to pass a character type of argument instead of an array of string, because user will enter a character. So while running this program, so we have to ask the user to, the program should prompt to enter a character. So here we have to pass character type of argument. So to pass character type of argument, we will use another keyword char for declaring the character type of data type, and followed by ch, that is the name of variable. Now when we are going to run this program, what will happen? It will prompt us to enter a character. Why? Because we have passed one character type of argument to the main method. Now after that we will use a pair of curly brace to define the body of main method, and within the main method we will create a set of instructions, or we can say some statements, to solve the program, or we can say to create the program logic. So now this part of the program statement we will discuss. It says check whether the character is vowel or not. Now, as per English language, we are all aware that there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. Now, user can enter any letter from English language. There are 26 letters. So, it may be vowel or it may not be vowel. So, we have to check the possibility. So, if the value that user will enter, definitely that will get stored in the variable ch. If value stored in ch is equal to, this double equal to symbol is used to check the equality. It is a relational operator in Java. The type of operator is relational, and this is double equal to operator. It is used to check the equality among the two operands. This is the first operand, and second operand we will use here a constant value, that is small a. Now we will use here one logical operator, two parallel lines, that is known as logical OR operator. This logical OR operator results in true if any one of the test condition results in true, where this relational operator will result in a true Boolean value only if the value stored in ch is equal to a. Similarly, we will check the other possibilities if ch is equal to second vowel, that is e or not. Then again we will use here logical OR operator. Now there are two test conditions, that is, this is the first and this is the second. So if there are 5 vowels, so we have to create 5 test conditions to check the 5 possibilities, because user can enter any character and any vowel. So we have to check all the possibilities A, E, I. Rather than typing, I will copy this code, and then we can paste it to save our time. And here we will change the values A, E, I, O, U. I can close this here, and these are the possible scenarios that we have to check whether it is enter character is small a or small e, I or U, O or U. But user can enter capital characters, capital letter also. So we have to check that possibility also. So again we will use here logical OR operator, and we will copy this and we will paste it in front of it, and here we will use capital E, I, O, U, because vowels can be capital, because remember this, Java is a case sensitive language. It treats capital letter and small letters differently. So we have to check all the possibilities. Now if any one of these 10, there are 10 test conditions now, this is first, second, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. If any one of these test condition results in true value, when they will return true, when the value stored in ch is equivalent to the constant value that is present on the right hand side of these test conditions, or we can say test expressions. So if any one of the test condition returns in true, then this logical OR will also return in a true Boolean value, and if it results in true, then definitely the if body will execute. If body will execute. So this pair of curly braces define the body of if, and within the if body we are going to use here one statement, system.out.print. we are going to print a message that entered character is a vowel. So this if will check whether and if it will display the message. If this results in true, then enter character is a vowel. But if it is not a vowel, if user enter B, C or some other letter that is not a vowel, then what will happen? Definitely then in that scenario this will result in false, and this test, all these test condition will result in false, and logical OR will also result in false, because logical OR says that at least one of the test condition should result in true, then the set of statement within the if will execute. Otherwise else part will, compiler control will shift to this else. Okay, if this is false, okay, some action should be, okay, we need to perform some task, okay, we should display appropriate message for false also. So we are going to use here else body. This pair of curly brace is used for defining the else body, and here we will use one statement. If it is not a vowel, then we will print the statement, then enter. Okay, rather than typing it again, I will copy this message from here. Okay, it is a string because strings are enclosed in double quotes. I forgot to discuss one thing. Okay, here I have used single quotes. Why? Because it is a character constant, or we can say character literal. Character literal or character constants values are always typed or enclosed in single quotes, where string constant values are always enclosed in double quotes like here. So enter character is not a vowel, is not a vowel. And definitely if we run this code, okay, here terminator is missing, okay, and if we run this code, it say class compiled, no syntax error, and this means we have typed the program as per the Java programming rules of Java programming language. Now we will click on close. This is the class icon, vowel or not, that is the name of class we have created, and we will right click on this class icon, and from the shortcut menu we will choose void main char ch. Now you can see this argument which we have passed in the shortcut menu, char ch. If I click on this, by clicking on this option we are calling main method. So you can see it says a small box, dialog box has appeared, it says method call. Method means function call. So we have called the main method, and within the main method, in the main method we have passed one argument, char ch. So it is now here it is prompting us to, okay, it's prompt us to enter the value for ch. Now character values are always enclosed in single quotes, so we have to enter here value in a single quote. If I enter here capital A in single quote, okay, then if after entering the value, then we have to click on OK, and if I click on OK, the message displayed enter character is vowel. So yes, capital A is a vowel. If I run this program again, now again it's prompting us to enter a character. I will enter here now in single quotes because characters are always enclosed in single quotes. So first single quote, opening single quote, then I will type here s, small s, and I will close the quote, single quote, and now if I click on OK, this s, small s will get stored in ch, okay, and definitely what will happen, none of the test condition, okay, in if statement will return true, because s is not equal to, okay, small a, small e, small I, small o, small u, capital A, capital E, capital I, capital O, capital O, U. So none of the test condition out of 10 in the if statement will return true. So this definitely here logical OR will return false. So this body of if will not execute. So if test condition is false, then else will execute. Else part only execute if test condition false. So now else part will execute, okay, and in the else part this is the statement, okay, and it will be printed on the output terminal that enter character is not a vowel. So if I click on this OK button, so you can see it says enter character is not a vowel. And if we enter here, let us check now here small, yeah, I'm going to enter here small o, within single quotes. If I click on OK, enter character is vowel. Okay, so even if okay, so we can check all the possibilities. If I enter here small r, let's say enter character is not a vowel. So this means our program is correct. This program is able to check whether the enter character is vowel or not. Okay,